everyone, so it's Eid day 3 and I told you guys yesterday that I'm going out with my husband, just me and my husband. Date yeah, it's a date day, it isn't date night, and Caleb's with his cousins, and yeah, it's just me and you time today. Okay, so we're in Viva Brazil. They do like halal chicken and stuff, and they do like a buffet of salad and whatever, so we're getting this right now. It's a really nice place, guys. Very big. So this was what I picked up in the buffet, and that's my drinks. They look so good. Yummy.
Hold it tight and then, yeah. So nice.
Thank you so much. This looks so cool.
It's enough. Thank you. It's perfect. That'll be enough for now. Thank you. Yes.
Hey guys, if in any moment you want to beat any meat or something, just right?
Will do, brother. Thank you very much. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful.
So this is a chicken heart. How insane. Oh wow.
And every more.
Thank you. I'm gonna have like the tiniest of bites. It just doesn't, it tastes nice, but it doesn't feel right. I feel like Hannibal Lecter. The only foundation that I use is Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, by the way. It's the best. It doesn't oxidize, so I'm getting my fix right now. And look at the two lovely ladies I just met. Well, I've met you.
Yes, you have.
What's your name?
Samira.
Samira. Okay, I've met Samira, but I've never met Laura, and now they just at the Giorgio Armani concession. Collaboration coming soon. Thank you, guys. Hidden gems. Finding, what is this place? Loose leaf tea. Oh, look at all the teas. Chantilly cream chica. We came into this, what is this place? What is it?
Juice bar. Royal juice bar.
Royal, yeah, okay. So they do juices. But the thing is, I was thinking I'll get like a slice of cake maybe and a coffee. But they are like super healthy. So it's right up my husband's street because he's having like this protein smoothie thing. And then I was just like, yeah, I think I'll just try somewhere else. But it is really nice. Look at the ceiling. This is such a cool place. So you're looking forward to your smoothie? Yeah? What's inside this? Avocados.
Banana, kale, pineapple, spinach.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sorry. You can put me in it whenever you want.
Can I put you in it?
No, actually.
No?
When I say that,
But you look so good. You don't want me to put you in it, no? Okay. We're just picking up some Welsh cakes from this little hidden gem too. They're like completely homemade. So we're gonna get the traditional ones, the white chocolate and vanilla and hazelnut. Yum. Thank you so much. I'm gonna try one now. It's delicious, don't try it. I've never been to Science Cream. What do you guys do?
So basically we make liquid nitrogen ice cream.
I love everything nitrogen, by the way. Yeah. Ooh, lovely.
Burn the fat off.
Oh, there we go.
But basically we use liquid nitrogen to freeze our homemade ice cream. Use the liquid nitrogen. You condense the air, so 78% the air nitrogen. We're called Science Cream because we use science to perfect the science behind making the
Amazing.
There's a lot more science.
Ooh.
We could talk about it for hours. But
Wow, okay, yeah.
But basically, nitrogen is minus 196.
Yeah.
Because it's so cold. When you pour it onto the ice cream, it gives you a freeze in about 30 seconds.
Yeah.
And fast freeze means that the ice crystals that form within the ice cream don't get a chance to crystallize and grow. So they stay really small, which means you get much smoother, creamier.
Yum.
Everything's made by myself at Jack. It's proper old-fashioned ice cream.
I love everything old-fashioned, so
you,
yes, I'm going to love
the
this.
good old days.
Yeah.
So we have 4 ice cream flavours at China.
Okay, so they have like steps as well.
Choose your flavour. So we've got typical vanilla, it's custard base.
So salted caramel sounds really good. I know what I'm going for this one.
The salted caramel,
Salted caramel, yeah.
Regular size?
Yes, please.
And what sauce and topping would you like?
The topping, definitely the lotus.
Sure.
And the salted caramel, I think.
And salted caramel.
Yeah.
Of course. Would you like it on a waffle cone or anything? If you're sharing, always go for the bowl.
Okay, yeah, I'm going to try it with my husband. Let's do it.
Fab. We go. So lotus batter with salted caramel.
By the way, guys, for the regular, it's only £6 and you get a bunch of homemade goodness.
Oh, yeah.
We're in action. Oh, she's getting the goggles on as well. Ooh. That is so cool. Ooh, it does look creamy. You guys, look how insane this looks. Thank you so much. Thank you. This looks delicious. Oh my, oh my. Oh, look at this. Ooh, ooh. Moment of truth. Mmm. It's so delicious. I wouldn't say I'm crazy about ice cream, and this is so good. It's so good, guys. So much goodness in one bowl. My husband's giggling at me. So now I've just met Nafia and them, and we're watching Secret Life of Pets with the kids. Finish off Eid with the movie. Oh, the movie has begun. Damn, I hate when the movie begins. So we finished watching the movie, and now I don't know what we're doing. I think we're going to Mama's house now. Waiting for Caleb to finish in the toilet. Taking ages. Hey baby. Hey baby. So Nafia basically took Caleb for the whole day and Sumaya for me, so I could chill out and just enjoy myself.
Have date day.
And have a date day with my husband. How cute.
Oh yeah, date
and
day.
my sisters
Date day.
to allow me to have a date day with my husband. It was so nice.
He looks good. If he wasn't good, then we probably
I felt like he was my boyfriend again. It was so funny. I was holding hands with him, and then Mama's friend went past, and I was like, should I let go of his hand? Because we're not supposed to be in public together. But then I realized now we're married with a kid. Yeah, very
You
cute.
didn't do that before marriage.
No, I didn't. I wouldn't. Now we've watched a movie. We're in Barry Island, and we picked up this chicken parmesan, and it's like so cute, and we so love it. Yeah, we love it.
I think you should.
Sumaya's complaining again, the egghead.
Everything is
She really gets offended when I say egghead, which is why I say egghead. Turn around. Oh no, no, no. Why do I keep forgetting that don't bring this egghead in my videos? When someone says I don't want to be in your videos, don't put them in your videos. Yeah.
Where's the stuff? Why is it only this?
It's a bag. Caleb, she said not. Sumaya, you should share. You're a fellow Muslim. Sumaya. Nafia's picturing.
Get your hand away. You just like my shorts.
This is what's on the menu right now. Move your hand, girlfriend. It's my portion because, you know, I'm like quite slim. And this is Nafia's because Nafia's like quite big.
Why are you calling me big?
You're not supposed to be kissing your fellow Muslims.
Sumaya, you really need to treat your Muslims really with kindness and respect.
There's a what? Careful, your wiggle fall.
Astaghfirullah. Sit down, babes. Who did that? Astaghfirullah, who did this? Do you ever get when, you know, you're looking for the best one and then you never get the best one, everybody else gets the best one?
You look like the best one.
Does it? Okay, I'll eat it then.
Mine looks tinier than yours.
Does it? It's okay, you don't need to eat more, you're quite big anyway. Since she's become like a Muslimic, she's become a little bit on the chunky side too. I'm just playing. I'm just being so rude, and I just feel like being rude to everyone today because it's just being rude day. She just said I'm going straight to hell. It's fine. Don't worry about it. We've just ate and we're on the way to Mama's house. Tomorrow's the final day before everyone leaves on the weekend. So today it's Father's Day. So me, Mama and Caleb are gonna go to get Papa some stuff. Nafi and Sumaya have sent me their dough to, you know, because we're getting the gift together. And I need to get my husband something too, and yeah, basically. Anyways, we're heading out right now. Mama's cleaning the house with, well, me and Mama are cleaning the house, and then we going to Bridget. So I will see you guys. So, to the world's best daddy. Hi, daddy. More. Hurry up. Looking at some watches for Papa and my husband. Already picked something up. Okay, so we've done our shopping, and I had to pick up Dina something for her birthday. So me, Nafi, and Sumaya, it's the big 3-0 But yeah, shopping done. Now we need to get some stuff for Pakistan as well, because need some sandals for Caleb and quite a few stuff for me. Yeah, Mama, what do you need? What shopping?
I got everything.
Alright
Anything
then.
for Caleb here?
Yeah, let's have a look. Looking in Clark's to get some sandals, because I've rinsed the shit out of these ones. Checking what Caleb's shoe size is. He's wearing a Maya socks. So we're finished now. We're on the way to Mama's house, and Mama's gonna cook. What are you cooking?
Chicken corn soup and
Chicken soup in this beautiful weather. People don't eat soup whilst the sun's out.
what do you mean?
It isn't a chicken soup weather, I don't think.
No. Do you believe on this weather? Do you believe on this weather?
What in the hell did
Look,
you say?
it's already cloudy.
Yeah, it's quite miserable and grey, but it's fine. Anyways, guys, me, Mama, and Caleb are going to Pakistan. Inshallah, in like 3 days. So we're going for 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks, I think, to Pakistan, and then yeah, Hannah's coming right now,
Hannah's
baby.
coming.
And then we're going to Dubai, and I've never ever been to Dubai, so this would be a very first experience for me, and this is my B-Day gift from Mama. If you guys can donate what you could donate, because we're going to Pakistan and we're going to build orphanages. The money would go toward a rehabilitation center for drug abuse children from the age of 7 above, and we're gonna build wells as well, inshallah. So whatever you guys can donate, please do, because it's going towards a very good cause, and I would leave the link in the description below. Thank you guys. I was supposed to give Papa his gift, but he's gone to the mosque, I think. So, no, I think I know. There's nowhere else he would go. Oh well. Just leave it in his room. And do V.
I'm doing Dina's I'm doing Dina's hands. I'm doing his hands.
And then do a E.
Mommy.
Do a E.
Wait.
This is to Dina from Caleb. Great, wow. I think this is done now, yeah.
Mom, I know we have to do dice.
And now, Sadiq and Dina are supposed to come so I can give the gift. And now they ain't even coming, so, oh well. Papa loves this stuff. Love you, Pa. Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day!
Any kinds of lumps.
Let's play Ninja Turtle. The football game.
We need to take down these Ramadan Mubarak decorations. Mubarak.
You gotta be kidding.
What? Yes, I'm kidding. Anyway.
We are making a dinosaur.
What are you making?
A dinosaur.
A dinosaur, okay. You guys know that, well, if you've seen my other vlogs, you guys would know that Caleb was given Freddy the Teddy from his school for one...
crab.
Yeah, great. From his school for 1 week. And we were supposed to basically document everything Caleb does with Freddy the Teddy. Take pictures with Freddy and the Teddy whenever we go out in the week. So I just did it in 2 days. So I've taken pictures, cut them out, and now I'm going to stick it in this book because other children, I won't show you the pictures of the children just in case, you know, but other children have done like little stories and stuff with Freddy the Teddy. So yeah, it's our turn to do it now. A little bit of competition here, isn't it, Caleb? Better be the best ones in the book, Caleb, right? Yeah. Okay, so I've just finished Freddy the Teddy and Caleb's day. We've done Caleb's day with Freddy the Teddy, and that's my amazing drawing of Caleb and Freddy the Teddy. I had a brilliant day with Freddy. Caleb, why don't you sit down and let me show you? So, it was time to wake up and begin the day with Freddy. Let's have a fun day. Caleb and Freddy had a bath. Let's get clean. We both brushed our teeth too. Let's clean our teeth. And there's Caleb. Oh, did I put something? Oh, Caleb, what have you done? You've put something on your face. It's fine, don't worry. Oh, it was because of this. Oh, it seeped through.
Mango.
Okay, anyway, his face is covered with the green thing. We both brushed our teeth too. Why did I use this pen? It's fine. And then Caleb and Freddy had breakfast. Did you know eating breakfast is the most important meal of the day?
Mango.
We had our first ever ride in the car. Vroom, vroom. Remember to put your seatbelt on, Freddy. We took pictures for our passport ready for my holiday. I can't wait to go on holiday, said Caleb. And then Freddy meets my cousins, Ayla, Amaya, and Yusuf. I showed my cousins Freddy the Teddy's diary. Wow, look at what Freddy's been doing. Happy Eid! We celebrated Eid. Did you know Eid is a Muslim festival?
Yes.
Yeah. And then Caleb and Freddy played in the garden with his cousins. We had so much fun. We jumped on the trampoline. Boing, boing. We watched TV. I love Teen Titans. Caleb wore his Black Panther mask and Hulk gloves he got for Eid whilst eating dinner. My favorite superhero is Black Panther. Caleb and Freddy the Teddy go to bed. I will miss you very much, Freddy. The end. And that's it. Do you like your little story, Caleb? Yes? Yes? Good, because this is the aftermath that I have to clean.